Welcome back to the channel. I'm here with Bronwen and Laundry. Today we're going to unbox a diamond painting that came this morning. So I'm going to cut through this plastic that I hate. From the Homfun Store. Good to know. It's a Marilyn. Yay! Here's the image. Lots of really cool colors. Lots of soft white, but that's okay. Oh! Tools. Should be it, I think. Okay. Okay, foam roller. Boop boop. Should give those to your dad. He's always asking for pool noodles. He wants to like do an experiment. Wow.
I thought you were peeling the whole thing off.
Nah, I don't want to peel the whole works because you never get it back on. Look at that. Oh. Yep, so we have nice clear symbols that are nice and sticky. So that's great. Won't have to rely on a light pad as much. I hate that. Yay! Alright. Oh, by the way, it's round painting and it's 40 by 40, so it's a reasonably big square, which is fine by me. And Bronwen, it looks like, has her diamond painting project that she wants to show us. It's the parrots.
Watercolor parrots.
It's round as well. It's a partial.
It's from Studio Diamond Paintings.
Oh yeah. This one comes from a store. Showcase, I think. Yeah. Which is a local store. Ah, yes. Let's look at the canvas. So this one has the clear cover on it, but you can see the... So she's done some of the painting so far. There's a big patch of red and some white. I think you did all the white, didn't you? Yeah.
I'm still working on it.
Yeah, that makes sense. It's really cute. It's got a full frame on it and everything. So when it's all done, you just frame it on a canvas and then it'll be all done.
Are you gonna frame it on canvas?
That's usually the way to frame something like that. It would look cool. If we can find one the right size. Alright. Thank you for tuning into this version or edition of unboxing a diamond painting with Danielle, Bronwen, and laundry. Don't forget, if you want to see this channel grow and thrive, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! We'll see you soon with another unboxing.